There are plenty of fish in the sea, and there are so many great ways to cook them. Let's master one surefire way to cook extraordinary swordfish. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get some heat on my grill pan. And then whilst that's heating up, I'm going to season my swordfish. So a little bit of extra virgin olive oil all over. And you want to season it on both sides as well. So you want to just rub that in. And then season it with salt, once again on both sides, and some pepper. Beautiful. All right, so it feels like it's warm enough, so I'm gonna turn my heat down before I add my steaks in. So that's gonna cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and it's a personal preference, but I actually like my swordfish quite raw in the middle, so not cooked all the way through. But if you want it cooked all the way through, just cook it for a little bit longer. Now, the beauty about the grill pan is the heat-efficient ridges, which means that the heat is distributed evenly throughout the pan. It's also really good because it actually allows the fish to cook above from its fat, so it's a much healthier cook. Now I'm going to remove the fish, and I love that grilled char mark that you get on the grill pan. Now, because I like to cook everything in one, I'm just going to add in my asparagus and give them a char. And you just want that to cook through without being overcooked. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to pull them out. Plate them onto my plate with the fish. All right, the fish is done and the asparagus are also done. Now I'm just going to make a beautiful sauce to go with. So in goes the butter. And you're just going to let that butter melt. All right, I'm just going to add in my garlic. And you can add in some shallots even if you want. I'm going to keep it really simple and do a garlic butter. Now I'm going to add in some capers. This just gives it that really nice saltiness. Perfect, and some juice and zest from a lemon. So you see that sort of really nutty brown, and that's going to give it really nice flavor. And I'm just going to pour it all over my grilled swordfish and asparagus. Oh, that looks and smells delicious. I think all that's needed is a little pop of freshness, so I'm going to garnish it with some dill, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. Now, how good does that look? My quick and easy grilled swordfish and asparagus. For these recipes, product tips and more, head to woll.com.au.